Okay, so we've left Fisherman's Village. This is the path we're on. Shingen's on the go, trying to keep up. As you can see, there's these orange dividers dividing the cars from us with reflector paint on them. That yellow line to the right, going in the direction we're going for. This is the bike trail going down Fiji Way, I believe we're on. I believe this is Fiji Way or Admiralty Way. Ugh, I'm tongue-tied. Yeah, so there's our sign showing us that there's a bike path up ahead. We're going to be taking that bike path. We're going to cut across nice and safely. And I got to put this camera down so we can make this transition, people. So, okay, there's our transition up ahead past these double palm trees here. I got to put the camera down. Let's make this happen. Okay, so here we have a sign that says bikes cross at the signal. Can you see that? There's our signal up ahead. All right, Shingen, listen up. You see that light? We're gonna stop at the light and we're gonna cross the street there. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so there's our safety check. We're gonna stop at that green light and try and cross there. We're gonna have to stop our bike, get off our bikes, and wait for the light to change. All right. Okay. So let me put this camera down so we can make a safe crossing. Let's jam, son.
You left the bike?
Not yet. Come on. Follow Daddy's lead.
You can't reach.
Okay. Stop. 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 Use your back pedal. Back pedal. Back pedal. Good job. Good safety. Good safety job. All right, so here we are waiting for the light to change. Everyone's doing a safety check, waiting for the light to change. Everyone's being safe? Yes, okay.
I'm not.
Almost, huh? Good job. Give me a high five. Good job. Good job.
I'm not being safe, but I'm naughty.
Okay, we can go. See the man, the shot guy. Let's go across. We're gonna go up the sidewalk and to the left there. Okay? Up and that way. He's coming. He's got it. He's a big boy. Come on, big boy. He's a slow starter. There you go. Nice push. There we go. Here we go. Remember, go right. Go right. Here we go. Stay to the right of the line. Here we go. Good job. We're rolling. Okay, we're rolling. Made our transition across the light at Admiralty, and we're approaching Mindanao Way. That was a little scary for me, but we made it. He did a great job listening, following safety instructions. Gonna sign off for now, and we're headed to Burton Way Park, down Mindanao Way.
Yes.
That smile is priceless right there. That's what it's all about, people. Good times, fun times, those good experiences, being safe and having fun. All right, signing off for now. I believe this is the part 3 or 4 of this ride. We're gonna go to, like I said, Burton Way Park, take a spin through there, try and push on as long as it's safe to do so. Okay, we're approaching the street traffic merge here, so I need to put the camera down and do the traffic merge. Okay, hold on. Okay, we need to slow down, keep our foot on those pedals. Give it a brake, 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 brake. Brake, 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 brake. Full stop. All right, come on. We're gonna go left. Left, left, left this way. Remember, stick to your right. Come on. Up this way. Why? Stop the pedal. Stop telling me what I'm doing. I need to stay closer because we're in traffic. Stick to the right. Stick to the right. Stick to the right. You stay on my right. Be safe. Okay, so we're on Mindanao Way. Had a smooth transition, smooth merge. As you can see, I have Shingen on the right. I'm to his left, blocking him in close to the curb. We're approaching Burton Way Park. Why? You need to stay right where you're at for safety reasons. All right. Granddad and Grandma and Granny is all watching this video, so they need to see that you're behaving and listening to safety instructions. So we're almost there. So Burton Way Park, dead ahead. And someone's being a little bratty over here. I don't want to be next to the curb. Ah, kids. It's okay. His confidence is high. So he doesn't want to be next to the curb. You think you're riding the street, he can't. Okay, so Daddy's being a big protector, keeping him close to the curb and keeping on his left. Good job, Shing. You're doing a good job. All right, let's just hug this. Good job. Very good job. You're doing a good job, buddy. This way. Nice and safe around the bend. Let's go up the curb here. Up this way. Go, go, go. Good. Let's take a ride through the park. And here we are. Burton Chase Park. Let's see if we can find some swings and slides. Let's ride through and find some. I kind of don't want to cut the video here, but I need to make sure he doesn't run into anybody. I'll try and film as long as I can safely, so you guys can get some good video of Shingen on this ride here. Go to your left, son. Let's go left. Let's see what we got left. Left, left, left. That's your right. Okay, let's go left again. Left, left. You can't ride up there safely because there's too many people and you're not listening to instructions that well right now. Listen, this is where we're supposed to be. This is the path right here. Okay? Well, you guys are getting the sights and the sounds. What you're not getting is the wonderful smells of the cookouts and food that people are bringing. Let's cut right. Let's go right. Right. Right is always this direction. Okay, here we are on the other side of Marina, Burton Chase Park, taking a nice ride around with Shingen. There's some nice little gazebos they have up there. Shingen's really enjoying his ride here. Okay, we're approaching a dense area of people, so I need to put the camera down. Okay, we're stopping. We're stopping. Are we stopping? Okay. Let's check in with. No, he's moving. I gotta go. Bye. No. Okay, he's coming back around. He's coming back around. He's coming back around. I guess he's getting his NASCAR on right now. You doing your NASCAR impression? He's really enjoying himself. You got some bike tricks for us? You got a bike trick? Show me a bike trick. What tricks you know? No feet? Oh, he jumped. You did a jump. You did a hop. Another hop. There we go. Another hop. Getting some speed now. He's getting some speed. Okay. Standing up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, he's an experienced rider, this kid. Go, Shingen, go. Look at that. Standing up. Good balance. Good balance. Okay, so here's a little dad epiphany at this point. I got to get me a GoPro camera so I can strap that thing to my helmet or to my chest or clothing and just get good continuous footage here. So here we are on bike ride day. Made it all the way to Burton Chase Park from Dockweiler Beach. Had some very safe transitions. Shingen's doing a good job of listening to safety instructions. Yeah, he's gonna be good and tired later on after his bath. We took, as you saw in the video, we took a refreshment break. Got some juice in them. How do they ride up the hill? You have to pedal really hard. You have to stand up and pedal really hard. All right, you gonna try it? Okay, let me go up the hill. Let me see. You gonna do it again? Okay, here you go, up the hill. He's gonna shoot up the hill. Go. Okay, I'm gonna sign off with this segment of the video. I hope I don't miss anything good I could have caught on video. Okay, so all the grandparents, all the aunts, uncles, cousins, sign out for now.